Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your token usage in Claude. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Claude AI right here and the old method, which by clicking on the profile picture and going to the settings won't actually work. So what we should do is to actually open GitHub and open this repository, which is Claude Console. You can actually search for it right here on Google, like by searching for Claude Counter GitHub, and then you will find this repository. You need to open it, and now from here all you need to do is to navigate to the latest release on the right section and clicking on it. After that, you need to download this zip file, and after you do, you need to right click on it and click on WinRAR and extract it. Also, you can extract it by clicking on extract all. After you do this, you need to click on the three dots on any browser, it doesn't matter, and you need to go to extensions. Now click on manage extensions, and from here turn on developer mode. And now click on load unpacked, and after that you need to actually choose this folder and click on select folder. Now the extension will be actually turned on onto your browser. All you need to do is just search for it right here on the extensions and click on it. Now, when you go back to Claude, you will find your usage right here. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.